Hello and welcome to your Western Music class. I hope you all are safe and you are doing good. In the last video lesson, we completed the song Words by Boyzone. In this video lesson, as well as in the next video lesson also, we are going to get familiar with the instrument that I use in all my videos. Yes, you caught me right. I'm talking about the guitar. I'm going to give you detailed explanation about all the aspects related to guitar, whether they may be physical features, physical aspects, or aspects related to its playing or its origin. So we are going to talk about all these aspects related to the guitar in this video as well as in the next video. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, we'll talk about the physical aspects or the physical features of the guitar. So this is how a guitar looks like. Many of you must be having a guitar also, and some of you must be students of the Western music activity as well. So you must be familiar with the guitar, and I am expecting that all of you have seen the guitar at least once. This is not your first time, okay? So the first difference that you can mark is with the body of the guitar, okay? When you look at different guitars, the very first difference that you can mark, or we can say that you can make out, is the difference in the shape of the body. Like I'm waving my fingers over the cut of the guitar, you can see like this, okay? So the guitar that I am having is having a different cut, okay, and the guitar that you are having, it might have a different cut. When I use the word cut, I simply mean to say that this structure, this structure, that are the sides of the guitar, they are different in case of all different guitars, okay. This is the cut of my guitar, okay. And there are many types of cuts in the body of the guitar, and it depends upon the manufacturer also, the company also, and this has nothing to do with the playing. It is just for your comfort level, and it is just for your convenience that the companies, they manufacture different shapes of the body, okay. So there might be different cuts of the guitar, okay, and the cut of the guitar doesn't affect its playing, okay. Now we come to the next part, which is this part, the topmost part. You can see right now, let me put the guitar nicely, okay, this part over here, this part is called the head of the guitar, okay. The head of the guitar has these key-like structures. Okay, we have 6 wires, so we have 6 keys. These keys are used to tune the wires. Okay, what is tuning? We'll talk later. How we tune the guitar, we'll talk about that also later, okay. Although that is related to playing, but tuning is related to playing, and we are not discussing, we are not learning how to play the guitar, but obviously I will give you an idea about what tuning is and how do we tune the guitar. So these are the 6 keys or the 6 tuners which are there, which are present on the head of the guitar. Then we come to the next part. This long section, this long portion of the guitar, this one over here, I'm moving my fingers over. This is called the neck of the guitar. In common language or in common terms, this is called the neck of the guitar. Obviously, in our body also we have the head. We have our head, then we have a neck, and then comes our body. So similar is the case with the guitar also. First is the head, then we have a neck, and then the body. So this is called neck in common terms. When we come to proper terms or technical terms, this is called the fretboard. F-R-E-T, fret, B-O-A-R-D, board. Fretboard. Why is it called the fretboard? Because these sections over here, these box-like structures over here, I'm having my finger over it right now. These structures, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, these structures are called frets. These structures are called frets. And since this is a board which has all these frets, therefore, in technical terms, this section of the guitar, this part of the guitar is called fretboard. It's called the fretboard. Then we come to this big section, this big wooden hollow structure. Okay, this is called the body of the guitar. This is called the body of the guitar, and I started the video talking about this part of the guitar only. That this body, it comes in different shapes and sizes depending upon the company or the manufacturer. You are like depending upon the company or the manufacturer who is manufacturing it or who is producing the guitar. It depends on that firm, organization, or that person, okay, that individual, how the organization or the person is shaping the body. Although there are fixed, I guess, 8 to 10 or around 10 to 12 types of bodies you will find when we talk about all types of bodies. There are, I guess, 10 to 12 types approximately. Okay, so this is the body of the guitar. This is a hollow structure. It's actually a box. Okay, in common language it is called the sound box. Okay, and in technical terms it is called the body. You can say, you can call it the body of the guitar. Okay, so after that, in the body you have this big hole over here. You can see this big hole over here. Okay, this is why I'm saying this structure is hollow, because it's having the space, okay, inside it. You can see I'm putting my fingers inside the hole. Okay, so this is a hollow structure actually. Then we have this big hole over here. This is called the sound hole. This is called the sound hole. Okay, we all know, we are very familiar with this. We have seen at least either a guitar in a picture or in a video, or many of us have seen the guitar in real also. But this is, I expect and I hope that this is not the first time that you are looking at the picture of a guitar. Okay, you all are familiar with what a guitar is. You must have seen it at least once, either in images or in videos or in real. Okay, so these are the 6 strings. These are the 6 strings in a guitar. We all know there are 6 strings. Then we come to this section over here, this part over here. This is called the bridge. This is called the bridge. If we notice properly, nicely, we will see this structure is actually like a bridge. Okay, suppose I start moving my finger from this side, I can climb up. Then there is this bulge over here. Okay, then there is this platform kind of structure, and then there is a drop. Okay, so this structure actually looks like a bridge only. That is why it is termed as a bridge. Okay, now the purpose of the bridge is to hold the guitar wires at one end, and obviously on the other end the guitar wires are held by the tuners. Okay, so these are the physical features or the parts of the guitar. Okay, apart from this, I am having this pick holder also over here. This I have attached externally. It is not present in it's not included in the body of the guitar. This I have attached externally. This pick holder I have attached externally. Okay, children, so this is used to hold the pick. What happens at times when you play the guitar, or when I play the guitar, it's like quite possible that we can miss the pick somewhere, like wherever we are sitting and playing the guitar, it's very obvious and it happens, you can miss the pick. So this is a very useful equipment, or you can say a part of the guitar, which I have just pasted over my guitar body, and it is used to hold the pick. As soon as I stop playing, I put my pick back inside this pick holder. This is a pick. Okay, I'll tell you about the pick also later. Okay, we'll talk about the pick also later. So this is a pick and this is a pick holder. We can just simply put our pick inside. Okay, so these are the, and apart from this, I have my strap also, or the guitar belt also, which I used to hold my guitar while I am standing and playing. Okay, so these are the physical aspects, the physical parts, the physical features of a guitar. We'll talk about the guitar and its related aspects in the next video also, which will include the aspects related to playing, the involvement of the left hand and the right hand. Okay, and we are going to get familiar to all these terms. Okay, till then, take care, stay musical, God bless you all, stay safe.